friends, how can I how can I learn English? You have searched on YouTube so many times using this keyword, and you have watched hundred of that kind of videos. But what is the benefit of watching those videos? Did you get any benefit? Did you improve a little bit? Your English level is the same. You did not get any benefit from those videos, but still you are watching, you are looking for that kind of videos, right? Hello friends, my name is Miss Juna Burman and I am an English learner. See friends, when we try to learn this English language, what we do? We do only one thing. We we start searching on YouTube. How can I learn English? What is the easy method to learn this language? How can I improve vocabularies? How can I remember vocabularies for a long time? So this type of questions arise in your mind, and we start searching and start watching those videos. And uh, when we search any videos on any particular topics on YouTube algorithm start showing that kind of videos randomly, and what we do, we start watching those videos randomly. You are not going to improve anymore by watching random videos on YouTube. You have to watch, for learning this language, you have to watch conversational video, and you have to watch daily life conversation video, or any podcast, or on any particular topics. You have to watch that kind of videos, like shopping mall related, market related, and doctor patient related. So that kind of video will help you a lot to improve your English. And if you watch, how can I learn English? If you are looking for what is the best method, what is the best ideas, techniques for learning this language, you will not get daily use sentences, daily use phrases in those videos. So you will not going to improve anymore. So stop watching for ideas, methods, techniques on YouTube. Uh, just watch English related video on any topic which you like the most, and try to do one thing. Try to observe all the sentences, all the words properly, and try to grasp the word which is new for you. This way you will improve gradually, but you will improve surely. But if you are watching for techniques, methods, ideas every day, you are not going to improve. Okay? See, friends, I have I have gone through this type of problems, this type of situations. That's why I am telling you. Stop watching um, stop watching those videos, and try to utilize your time. Stop wasting your time to watch that kind of videos. Okay, so friends, today I'm going to share my personal real life story, and if you get any new word, then uh, you have to notice and write it down on notebook, and you have to make sentences using those word. See, friend, I'm not a teacher, but as a friend I can tell you these things. If you get any, if you can find any new word on my uh, story, then you can write it down and try to make sentence later on. Okay, so friends, today my husband will go, and when he when he goes, all problems arises because my thoughts and my in-laws thoughts are not aligned. See friends, I could say my thoughts are um, my thoughts and my in-laws thoughts are different, but I have used the sentence aligned, so you can note it down, right? So my thoughts and my in-laws thoughts are not aligned. So sometimes we have to argue with each other, and according to me I am always right, and according to them they are always right. But according to world, according to world, absolutely I am right, but they have gone through a lot since their childhood time, and um, they have faced so many financial issues since their childhood times, so their thoughts are never aligned with my thoughts. Okay, so friends, when I um, express my thoughts, express my dreams in front of them, instead of giving me encourage, they pull me down. They says they say they say you cannot do it. Stop dreaming um, big. Stop dreaming big. You will never achieve that. You can never achieve that. So um, if I want to go right side, they ask me to go left side. So this type of situation, this type of problems arise when my husband leaves home. Okay, so I know what is good for my child, what is bad for my child, and um, I just want to do uh, which I want, but they don't like it, and they argue with me. They argue with me, and they are always opposite of me. So he will go today in the evening, and uh, I hope everything will be fine, and everything will be fine, and everything will stay nice, good. Okay, just to fulfill our needs, my husband has to go out of state, and I don't know when he will come back. I think he will stay at least 7-8 months. It will be a difficult. It will be a difficult days for me, but I'll have to be brave, and I'll have to pull myself together. Otherwise, if I start becoming weaker, then my husband will not stay longer. So, friends, I have a humble request to you. Please pray for us that I can achieve my goal as soon as possible, and I can say my husband that please take some rest for some days, because he is keep working since my married. He cannot rest anymore. So friends, see you. Bye bye. Take care. Keep healthy, keep smiling, and keep learning.